Hello students, thank you for joining me for a quick review on how my course schedule works. I love this course schedule. It's the way that you and I stay in communication on a daily basis. I hope you find it useful. This course schedule is for spring 2016 and is current. It would also apply to future semesters. First, let's look at what's talked about in the heading rows that repeat on the course schedule. It says that you complete Learn Smart quizzes and homework on Connect. I recommend Chrome or Firefox. Homework assigned on Mondays through Tuesday at 11:59 and homework assigned Wednesdays through Friday at 11:59. Exams are due on Saturday when we have them at 11:59. And the media links on this course schedule are duplicates on the ones on Connect and are here for your convenience. This repeats on the top of every row of every page of the course schedule, as does the information in the headers, but I put it there for you so you know where we are in the course schedule. So you probably quit reading this. What are in the header rows then? In our first column, we have a date, and remember this course follows a Monday-Wednesday course flow. So the first day of this semester would be Monday, the 16th of January. And it's in red, so you can always see what day we are. M means Monday. We are on Chapter 1, studying Part 1. And this is due on the 12th of January. So homework on Monday is due on Tuesday at 11:59 p.m. What I am wanting you to do is read, watch, and do on the date shown is read the syllabus, review the course schedule. I think you've done that as a result of the orientation process. Here comes the read, watch, and do. It repeats on every row. You should read Chapter 1, pages 1 through 20, and these are the detailed headings in those pages. I know 20 pages sound like a lot, but I promise they're mostly pictures. Then you should watch this media. You can do it here or on Connect. And then you need to do this Learn Smart. This Learn Smart must be done on today. All Learn Smarts are due. It must be done with the homework. All Learn Smarts and homework are due on the due date, 11:59 p.m. This would all need to be done on the date shown. And then the problem that relates to that is exercise 1.7. So what I've attempted to do is link the book, electronic or otherwise, what I want you to read, a short video I want you to watch. This is a live link that discusses what I really want you to remember from this material, and then complete this Learn Smart quiz. After you have read and watched this and done the Learn Smart, it's time to do the related homework. Problem 1.7. All of this is due on the 12th, as it says right here at 11:59 p.m. The next day would be Wednesday that I would have something for you to do. Wednesday, the 13th of January. This is Chapter 1, and there's a second part to it. It's assigned on Wednesday, so it's due on Friday, the 15th. These are the pages in the book I would like you to read. These are the detailed topics covered, and this is the Learn Smart that relates to that reading. Once you have read the pages and done the Learn Smart, it's time to do the related homework on Connect. You have two problems, exercise 1.12 and 1.14. These are all due on Friday. Homework assigned on Mondays due Tuesday. Homework assigned on Wednesdays through Friday, and the first test will be on Saturday, as are all tests, but there isn't one for Chapter 1. On the 20th, a Wednesday, you have an assignment again. This relates to Chapter 2, Part 1. Since it's a Wednesday, it's due on Friday. You read these pages in the book. Most of these are pictures again. You watch these videos. There are more because this is a review of the counting cycle. A lot of these videos come from 11:10 when you were learning to debit and credit and so forth. Many students tell me they really enjoy the review. And then you do this Learn Smart. The homework that relates to this reading and this Learn Smart that is due on the 22nd is on Connect, and it's exercise 2.4 and exercise 2.8. And so progresses the chapter with assignments on Monday due Tuesday and assignments on Wednesday due Friday. Notice when we get to Chapter 2, Part 4, we're finishing up Chapter 2. It's due on Friday. There's a small reading assignment, actually 2, because I'm skipping or I'm adding some of an appendix. There's a Learn Smart to do, and then there's some homework that relates to these problems. And here's where some examples of where the course schedule comes in so very handy to you. First of all, you have an accounting cycle problem that you do by hand that is available on Connect and that you upload on Connect using the accounting cycle button. Also notice that there's an optional practice area in place for Chapter 2 where you can see narrated PowerPoints, guided practice exercises, and the practice test. This is also in Connect in an area called Practice Area Chapter 2. The exam is due on Saturday. All exams are due on Saturday except the last of the semester. That due date is 1/30/16 at 11:59 p.m. And it covers Chapter 2. The first exam is on Chapter 2. And so goes the semester. You have assignments on Monday that are due Tuesday, read, watch, and do. Assignments on Wednesday that are due Friday, read, watch, and do. There is an optional practice area in Connect. And then there is a test that relates to Chapter 3. This test is on the 6th of February. That's a Saturday, and it's due at 11:59 p.m. The entire semester is laid out in such a way. It denotes holidays, it denotes reading assignments, and it denotes when all tests are. So if you wanted to go out of town and you were wondering if you would miss a test, you know from day one everything that would be due for the whole semester. And notice again on the schedule, there's lots of helpful links about how to do things. I can't put these kind of helpful links anywhere but on the course schedule because Connect doesn't lend itself to that. There's a quick review of how the course schedule works. There's a header that repeats some information that pertains to the whole semester. Homework assigned on Monday is due Tuesday. Homework assigned on Wednesday is due Friday. Exams, if you have them for chapters, are on Saturday, and they're only for the chapters that they come after. There are media links, and they're duplicates of the one on Connect. Homework is done on Connect. You can read on Connect, or you can read the book at your pleasure. I find reading the book useful because you can follow along when you do the homework. So in this way, you know the flow of the entire semester. I suggest you print this course schedule and keep it for future reference. Thanks for joining me. Let's get started with the semester. You have some stuff due on the 16th or on the 12th of January 12th, 2016. Hey, thanks for joining me.